Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to book the hotel for your visa application. So let's start. First we will go to booking.com. After then we will search where we want to go. I am going to Frankfurt. So let's suppose I am going to Frankfurt, then I will select the dates. After that I will click on search button. Now I will select the hotel. See, here is written no prepayment and free cancellation. I will select this hotel. See, free cancellation until 23rd of March, 23rd of July. So I will select this room. After then I will select confirm. Whatever time they have given to you, like 23rd of July, before 23rd of July you will cancel this booking, so you will not need to pay anything to hotel. So here I will write my name and email address. Now I will write my email address. Now I will click on next. Now here I will write my mobile number, so when I have finished my booking, then I will receive the message, and then I will enter the bank detail also here. Enter your card number here. Don't worry, they will not deduct the money from your card because they don't want CVV. Okay, just enter your card detail here and click on next button. You will confirm your booking, but cancel it before the expiry date, before the final date they have given to you, like 23rd of July they have given to me 23rd of July. So I will cancel my booking before 23rd of July, so they will not charge me. If I cancel my booking after 23rd of July, then they will charge me for the booking. So here I enter my bank detail. Then I will click on finish booking. Now my booking is finished. Now I will receive the email of confirmation email. I can print my confirmation from here also. Click on print confirmation button, English version. Here I can also print my confirm booking. And if you want to print it from your email, you can print it from your email also. Open your email. See, you receive one message from booking.com. Get print version. From here you can cancel your booking also, and you can print your confirm booking application. Here I can print my confirmation English version. See, here is the confirmation letter from the hotel which I have booked today. Now I will show you how to cancel the hotel booking. Manage modify your booking. Click on modify your booking. After then, see, here's button of cancel your booking. When you click on this button, so your booking will be cancelled. See, and here is written that 24th of July. You can cancel your booking before 24th of July, they will not charge you. If you cancel your booking after 24th July, then they will charge you. So here our booking is cancelled. Okay, I hope you like my video. If you like, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.